Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn what is ad creative in Facebook ad campaign. As you can see in my screen, I'm into the ad campaign creation part, right? And here we have a level which is called as Facebook ad campaigns creative, right? It is ad creative level. So as you can see, it is highlighted with blue color as well here also, right? So this is the ad creative. It is a part of ad set, and ad set is a part of ad campaign, right? As we have discussed in ad campaign structure. Now what we can make changes in the settings of ad creative, let's explore. Here we can change the ad creative name. It is for our reference. For example, I have kept it banner 1. It won't be visible to the audience. It is just for our reference that what ad creative is all about. We can simply put any name over here, right? The another section is of partnership ad. We need not to turn it on. It is always required to turn on this section if you are running ad campaign in collaboration with other company or other business, right? Other Facebook page, other Instagram account. If you're running ad with collaboration with them, then you need to turn it on, else you need not to turn it on. So we are going to keep it off. Here we have selected the relevant Facebook page and Instagram account which we are using to run our ad campaign. The next section is of ad setup. Here we have two options, create ad and use ad. We need to select the create ad when we are directly uploading our ad creative, whether banner ad or video ad, into the campaign directly, right? And we want to run the ad campaign. If we have already posted that particular banner or video on our social media handle like Facebook page or Instagram business account, right, then we need to select the use existing post, as we want to use that particular post to run our ad campaign. And if you don't want to post on Facebook page or Instagram account, and you directly want to upload the ad creative, banner ad or video ad into the ad campaign, and you just want to run the ad, then you can select simply create ad. So here we have selected create ad. Okay, I'm going to upload it manually. In the format, there are two formats, single image or video. If you are running ad campaign with single image or video, then you can simply select single image, right? And if you want to run the slider ad, might be you have seen it before on Facebook or Instagram, that multiple images are in the slider or carousel kind of format. So that kind of ad campaign, if you want to run, you can simply select carousel. After you select carousel, you need to upload multiple banners or multiple videos to run your ad campaign, right? So here we are going to run the single image ad campaign. The next portion is of multi-advertiser ads. We need to turn it off, right? We need not to check in this particular thing, because else your ad can appear in between the ads of another businesses as well. So we are not going to check it. Okay, so coming to the next section, that is of destination. Wherever you want your customers or your interested audience to land, you can simply select that particular destination. So here I want to select the call phone number. I need to select the country code. Okay, I've selected my country code. I can simply add my number over here. Okay, I have added it. I don't want to turn on enable callback request, so it's off as of now. Here we can select the ad creative. So I have clicked on it and I'm going to select the image ad. Okay, I have selected my image and I will click on next. Okay, it is asking me about the aspect size, so we need to select the original, else what would happen if I select the vertical 9:16, as you can see that my banner has been cropped. As we have discussed it earlier, like we need not to run advantage plus creative, or you can say advantage plus placement. So we just need to select original. In the stories and reels, what would happen is like our ad would be visible in such manner if your ad creative is of 4:5 or 1:1 size. Else for proper ad visibility, you can select a portrait ad of 9:16 that I will tell you later. Okay, so this ad creative is of 1:1 and 4:5. So in this, on the placement which support square size, our ad would be visible great, but on the placement where it supports 9:16 or 1.91:1, our ad would appear like this, like having you can say black columns in the like side by side or upside or downside. Okay, no issues. I will click on next. Here we can enter the primary text, or you can say caption. You can generate good caption from like chat gpt or Gemini, or you can do it manually as well. You can like add headline to your ad creative, either like chat with us, talk with us, best restaurant, whatever you want to add it as a headline, right? In the call description, you can mention whom people would be like talking to if they call, and it is not mandatory, right, adding these things. So simply I will click on done. Okay, right? So here is the primary text, the caption thing, and the call description and the headline. So our ad creative is ready, right? As you can see in the preview, our ad will appear to people in such manner. Here is the page name, sponsored is written over here, then our ad creative, then our headline, then our page name, and here is the CTA button, call to action button of call now, right? As we have selected the destination as calling, right? So in Instagram feed, our ad would be visible like this. In Facebook feed, our ad would be visible like this. But in Instagram story, our ad would be visible like this, right? So the previews are here, and we can simply click on publish. Wait. We can also change the ad creatives of story, status and reels, because they are not showing like properly. So we can simply click on the pen button to edit and then change. But make sure for this you need a banner or video ad of 9:16, because status, stories and reels support 9:16 aspect size. So I'm going to select this. You can also upload from your system by clicking on this button, right? So I've selected this and I will click on save. So as you can see, now it is fixed. The ad is showing properly, appropriately, right? In the stories and reels, our this ad creative would be visible to people, and in feeds, as you can see, this ad creative, the square banner, would be visible to people. So this is all about ad creative, right? You can create multiple ad creatives in a single ad set, so that people don't get bored of seeing the same ad creative repeatedly, right? So that ad fatigue don't happen with your particular ad campaign. You can simply click on this triple dot of the ad creative level and click on duplicate, and can create any number of copies. Like I have been creating 5 copies of my ad creative, and the original one that is like total is of 6. So here are the different ad creatives in a single ad set, in a single ad campaign. So we can simply change the banners in each and every ad creative by clicking on this. I'm going to rename it to banner 2, and then simply scroll down. Everything is like duplicated, so I need not to change any of the settings of the ad creative. I just simply need to delete the ad creative and set up the another ad creative. In the same manner, I can change banners or videos, whatever we are using for running our ad. So we can simply change the ad creatives in this ad set, and we can simply click on publish and run the ad campaign. So that's all for now. You can also learn digital marketing in detail by checking out our video description. We have mentioned our website link over there. You can simply visit our website, explore our course, and purchase directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.